33 Middleman business ideas. Problem, solution, you, as the connector. Each item is highlighted for deeper exploration. Eco-packaging matchmaker. Connect small sellers with sustainable packaging suppliers. Local recycling pickup coordinator. Match households with recycling centers. Freelancer quality filter. Pre-vet freelancers and match them with businesses. Micro-warehouse space broker. Connect sellers with homeowners who have spare storage. Return to resell service. Collect unused items and list them on marketplaces. Healthy meal prep connector. Link home cooks with busy professionals. Small batch manufacturer finder. Match new brands with low MOQ factories. Event vendor coordinator. Curate and coordinate vendors for events. Subscription box curator. Connect brands with customers through themed boxes. Digital course licensing agent. License creators' courses to schools and companies. Influencer, brand matchmaker. Pair micro-influencers with small businesses. Local handyman dispatcher. Match homeowners with vetted handymen. Pet sitting match service. Connect pet owners with trusted sitters. Home cleaning matchmaker. Pair cleaners with clients and take a fee. Short-term rental co-host finder. Match Airbnb hosts with co-hosts. Product tester network. Connect brands with testers and manage feedback. Wholesale splitter. Buy bulk goods and resell in smaller quantities. Print-on-demand broker. Match creators with pod suppliers. Local tutor match service. Connect tutors with parents. Virtual assistant matchmaker. Pair VAs with entrepreneurs. E-waste collection coordinator. Match households with recycling centers. Mobile car wash dispatcher. Connect car owners with mobile washers. Home chef match service. Pair chefs with families needing weekly meals. Brand photographer finder. Match small brands with affordable photographers. Warehouse pallet liquidation broker. Connect buyers with pallet sellers. Corporate wellness vendor coordinator. Match companies with wellness providers. Local delivery runner network. Connect small shops with freelance couriers. Sustainable gift box curator. Match eco brands with gift buyers. Language tutor matchmaker. Connect learners with native speakers. Micro-influencer UGC broker. Match creators with brands needing content. Home office setup coordinator. Match remote workers with ergonomic suppliers. Custom packaging sourcing agent. Find unique packaging for small brands. Pop-up market vendor coordinator. Match vendors with event organizers. Why these work? You don't create the product. You connect two sides. You solve time, trust, and convenience problems. You can start with no inventory, no staff, and no big capital. Many can be turned into subscriptions, digital products, or service bundles.